Do you ever feel stressed? In fact, so stressed that you overreact to situations that wouldn't normally irritate you? Do you feel easily triggered? Like, like you're not at your best self in your relationships with people that you care about, especially the people you care about most? Do you feel anxious when you want to feel relaxed, positive, and happy? Then maybe it's time for an emotional and mental detox. We all know that physical detoxes can cleanse our bodies and make us feel refreshed and renewed. But when we want to make a real difference, it's great to combine an emotional and mental detox with the physical activities. Join me for an introduction to the 6 C's and some tools that can help you access the emotional intelligence that connects mind, body, and heart. And you can join me for a talk, or we can dive a little deeper on a workshop